Hello, my name is Nikki, known here as the One-Handed Bandit, and since you've clicked on this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I've created this pink and purple ombre eye, so definitely keep watching to see how I created this look. So I think I am getting the hang of this brow thing, but I did get my ColourPop brow pencil in the mail today, so I will be going back to that. So beginning with the palette, I am using the Morphe 35B palette, and I am also using my ColourPop concealer. This is in the lightest shade that they have, which is Fair 00. And I like to go in with a white base just so that the colors would pop more. So if your colors are not popping, definitely go in with a lighter eye base. And so now I'm just blending out that concealer with my Morphe M173 brush just to make sure I have a smooth, even, I cannot talk today, even canvas for my shadows. So the first shade in the palette that I'm using is this bright yellow shade here at the bottom. And I'm just blending that out in my crease. The next shade that I'm going to be using is this bright purple shade here. And I think the colors do have names on them. So the yellow shade is called Sunshine and the purple shade is called Ziggy. No, it's not Ziggy. It's called Purplish. Sorry, guys. So just going back and forth with the purple and the yellow, making sure that they're blended out. And now I am cutting my crease with the same concealer, and I'm going back and forth with defining the crease with the purple. And I'm just using a concealer brush just to tap the product on. And now I am going in with my first lid shade. And that is this blue shade here called Sky. And I love this color blue. It's a very, very pretty blue. It's very pigmented. You don't really need to pack very much of that color on. So I'm going in with this bright pink shade called Bikini, and I do apologize, my camera settings were off today and everything looks very light. The light is very, very bright, but you can see how deep and pigmented this pink shade is. And I'm using this first shade in the palette called Chalk. It's a very white matte shade. And I just wanted to create more of like a ombre type of eye, and I'm going back and forth with the blue and just redefining that lid and blending the pink into the blue and the blue into the pink, which will create a purple in between the two of them. So I didn't like the way that the pink was transitioning into the white, so I went in with this lighter pink shade called Bikini, because I wanted more of an even transition because it just looked very stark white. So I wanted some shimmer in my inner tear duct, so I'm going in with the Armed and Gorgeous palette with this shade called VIP. And I'm trying this Morphe gel eyeliner. This is my first time using it, and it is in the shade Jet, which is just a jet black eyeliner. And I'm just using that instead of my regular liquid eyeliner. I just wanted to try it out just to see how it was. And I'm also using a Morphe eyeliner brush as well. And these are just the Ricky's lashes that I've been wearing in previous videos. Ricky's Weekly is what they're called. And now for foundation, I'm loving my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I am in the shade 340 Cappuccino. And I'm also using my Sonia Kashuk blending sponge. I really love this sponge. If you are in Target, definitely pick that up and try it out. And for concealer, I am using my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Caramel. And I'm going in very light and bright with my concealer because I wanted my under eyes very bright because I had such a bold eye look. And to set that concealer, I'm using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And again, guys, I'm so sorry about the lighting. I will be fixing that this weekend. And to set the rest of my face, I'm using my ColourPop setting powder in medium deep. And for blush, I'm using my Juvia's Place blush in the shade Bella, which looks like this, which is a pretty coral shade. And for highlighter, I'm using the Jackie Aina and Artist Couture highlighter in La Bronze. And I did go overboard with that highlighter, so I'll go back in and blend it out with my powder brush. And to set my face, again, I'm using the Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder in Milk Chocolate. And I'm just doing the same thing that I did on my lid to my bottom lash line. I'm going back in with that blue shade Sky, and I'm going in with the pink called Bikini, and I'm blending them two together to give me a purple in the middle. And to add just a little bit more of a pop, I'm going back in with that first purple shade called Purplish, just to add it to the outer portion of my eye. And I didn't show it in the clip here, but I am using that gold shade in the palette, which is called Lemonade, because I didn't like the stark white in my inner corner, so I just added that just to add a little bit of definition and pop. Okay, so now that we look like Shaka Khan, we're all set and ready. And I am trying something different with a bold lip, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills purple lip in violet. This is the one that came out with her Norvina palette. So I'm just going to use that. I just want to do something different, a bold eye and a bold lip. So I'm adding that violet shade on my lips just to outline my lips. And then I'll go in with a pink shade in just a moment. And let me know down in the comments if you're liking these types of bold looks. I do these from time to time, but not very much and not typically on camera. But if you want to see more looks, definitely leave me a comment below and I'll definitely try another look for you. So this is the pink shade that I'm using, and this one is in the shade Madison, also from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So when you ombre your lips, it is best to go in with the same brand, because sometimes different brands don't mix well together, and it has nothing to do with that particular brand or lipstick. It's just that they don't play well together. So definitely use the same brand. And I'm just, massaging my lips so that the two colors would blend together. And that is it. That is my final look. If you like what you've seen here, definitely give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching.